Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Fortnite LS-0013 game is unable to launch. To begin, right-click on Start menu and select Task Manager. After, select the Epic Games Launcher process, click on End Task. Now in the search box enter %local app data %, click on Open. Here, open the Epic Games Launcher folder. After, open the saved folder. After this, select the folder on screen, click on Delete. Finally, in the search box enter Epic. Click on Run as administrator over Epic Games Launcher. Click on Yes and wait to load Epic Games. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.